guys, so we just got done with shooting and now we are gonna have a breakfast and then we have to shoot another video. So also have to get back to work as in 10 baje I'll have to, 10:30 I'll have to. It's already 9, we have to have our breakfast and we have so much work to do today. So I guess we chose the right day to shoot, but I hope कि हम सब टाइम पे दिखाए because हम भूल जाते हैं एक पॉइंट के बाद that we have to vlog. Minno's having idli sambar because she's an idli. This is sambar. Sambar. We just got done with our breakfast and we are going to go sit and edit. और दोपहर को we have to shoot. Oh my God. We are done with 4 videos. We have to make 3 more videos. And also guys, I'm going to Bombay tomorrow. I'm going to Bombay tomorrow. I'm going. She's very upset because मैं दूर जा रही हूँ. No guys. I'm upset because she's going to Bombay and I'm not. I'm going to my college because I have to fill my HSC form and they need my signature, so I have to go and there was no other choice. I hate ASMR videos. Okay, bye. तो कैसे आई? मैं भी सामान के साथ आई. मैं ना आने वाली थी नेक्स्ट सैटरडे, मतलब क्वारंटाइन के बाद. मम्मी भी है? नहीं सिर्फ मैं आई. तू कैसे आई? Hi guys, so I have started working right now. It is 11, I mean 10:30 को I did start. And as you all saw, मिन्नो को बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज मिला है. जानवी is here and she was literally crying and yeah, that's that. Yeah. Lot of times and मेरी चेची बोली बहुत जीत चुकी है, अब मैं खेलती हूँ. तो I was like चलता है यार, ले ले. Oh my God. Bye मिन्नो. Sorry, पहुँच गए हम. अरे ये क्या है? बाय मिन्नो. बाय. नाटक कर रही है. वही तो कल आ जाओगी ना, एक दिन मेरे बिना रह लेना. खुद रोती है जब मैं एक दिन के लिए भी किधर जाती हूँ तो. नहीं तो देख नाटकी. मास्क ठीक से पहन. क्या है ऊपर है ना? हाँ. कुछ कपड़ा वपड़ा डालना. चलो चलो मैं Guys, I look so gross right now, but I just wanted to update you guys. So it's been so hectic today, like so hectic, because I woke up at 4 o'clock. To be very honest, I did not even sleep till 4 because Danny was with me and he did not sleep the whole night.
तो खाना खिलाने का समय होगा, तब विचार विमर्श करके घर के बाकी सदस्यों में से एक सदस्य चारों डक्स का फीडर बनेगा.
Hey guys, so we just landed और अभी we are waiting for Niti Chechi and Soman uncle. So they are going to come and pick us up. So we are waiting and Janvi's place right now. So let's go and meet her. Come on. Hi guys, so we are going to go pick up Chitta and Daksh from a place and then we'll come back home. So hi. Hi guys, so we are shooting things randomly and we are very sorry for that, but this is a very hectic week in our life because we have never been like हमने कभी इतना continuously shoot or edit नहीं किया है. We always try to post one video a week, so we are very excited for this and tomorrow is the day. Like I am very nervous and as well as Minnu, she is going nuts. I mean but she's still very calm because I am very nervous. So वो एकदम ऐसे करे कि नहीं हो जाएगा. I'm very scared and so I'm waiting for Minnu. Once she is fresh and ready, we'll start shooting. We have some clips to shoot and then we have to shoot the last video today. We are going to shoot the last video today. And it's going to be so exciting because that's the best part. I mean, Hi guys, so this is such a random vlog. Yeah, it is all over the place, but this is us. So we could not show you everything, but we hope that you guys are enjoying our videos. And also we wanted to say something. We are getting copyright claims on our intro music and उसके वजह से मतलब हमारा आधा से ज़्यादा मूड खराब हो गया because we loved our first song. It was so beautiful. Then कैसे तो भी मन मार के we chose a second song और that song again got a copyright claim. We have changed our intro song again. I know it's not that good, but we'll have to do with it this year. Also guys, please do not forget to drop your email ID or Instagram ID on our comment section because without that we cannot contact you if you win. So yeah, please do that. And also if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Toodles! In order to win this giveaway, like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and once you're done with all of these steps, comment done with your email ID or Instagram ID so that we can contact you.